I think art can help all people, whether you're sick or not sick. It can enrich one's life and experience. Arnie Glimcher asked me if I was interested in doing something at Mount Sinai. I've known Arnie for a long time. It's a quarter of a century, at least. He's an extraordinary dealer who works for artists, and I was delighted to be asked. Both of my grandchildren were born at Mount Sinai. My family's been here, so it's nice to be able to participate on some other level. But I wanted something that was really lively and uplifting. I picked a very vibrant red because I thought it was buoyant. I think it represents action and projection of thought and a kind of optimism, and it gives them a certain sort of moment of enjoyment and pleasure and interest and thoughtfulness. It's a privilege to be able to integrate a work into our community. It's particularly meaningful for me to have something in such an important place as the Hess Center.